What's up everybody, this is Nick from SoundSwell, here to do a little overview of how to set up and use your SoundSwell smartwatch series. So first things first, let's go over what comes in the box with your SoundSwell. You're going to open up the box using the magnetic flap on the right side, and that's going to reveal the product. It comes standard with the 44mm Apple Watch adapters. If you remove the product, you'll find everything else that's included in the box: a USB-C charging cable, your extra smartwatch adapters, extra silicone earbud tips, the instruction manual, and a SoundSwell sticker. Here I have a 44mm Apple Watch, and to insert it into your SoundSwell, first remove the wristband using the release buttons on the back of the watch. Next, hold your SoundSwell as you line up the adapters one at a time with the slots on the Apple Watch. Make sure the adapters are the correct width apart so that the watch easily slides into place. Last, pull up on the adapters until they click, and double check for security by gently pulling on the watch. To remove the Apple Watch, turn your SoundSwell over and pull the watch up to expose the release buttons on the back. Press the release buttons as you slide the adapters out of place on each side before gently pulling the watch out. To remove the Apple Watch adapters, use your fingernail to push down on the grooves at the end of the spring bar. If your fingernails are too short, you can also use a pin to press the spring bars down through the hole in the adapter. Okay, let's say you want to exchange the larger Apple Watch adapters with the smaller ones. Once you've removed the old adapters, find the spring bars that correspond to the size of the new adapters. For ease of use, we recommend using the spring bars with levers on the side that are included for Samsung and Garmin watches. Hold the SoundSwell and pinch the adapter into place with the same hand. Be sure the black button on the adapter is facing towards you and the silver part is facing away. Line up the adapter with the holder on your SoundSwell and thread the spring bar through into the bottom hole of the adapter. Use the lever on the spring bar to compress and release into the hole on top. Check for security by pulling on the adapter. To insert a Samsung Galaxy Watch or Garmin watch into your SoundSwell, first you're going to remove its wristband using the levers on the spring bars inside. Use the identical spring bars included in the box to attach the watch to your SoundSwell. Next, place the watch into your SoundSwell with the buttons face up and rotate it into place. Hold your SoundSwell and smartwatch in one hand as you thread the spring bar through into the bottom hole on the watch. Use the lever on the spring bar to compress and release into the hole on top. Make sure it clicks into place, and then do the same thing on the other side. Double check for security by gently pulling up on the watch. Pairing with your SoundSwell via Bluetooth is pretty straightforward. After you navigate to your device's Bluetooth settings, press and hold the play button on your SoundSwell until the searching light appears. After a few seconds, SoundSwell will appear in the list of Bluetooth devices. From now on, connection will occur automatically when your SoundSwell is turned on in range of your smartwatch. Turn down the volume by pressing and holding the minus button, or turn up the volume by pressing and holding the plus button. You can toggle play and pause by pressing the play button once. Seek backwards by double-clicking the play button, or seek forwards by triple-clicking the play button. To adjust the fit of your SoundSwell, pull on the elastic loops towards the ends of the necklace. To tighten, create slack in the loop and pull on the aglet. To loosen, create slack in the loop and pull on the quick-release buckle. To ensure the longevity of your SoundSwell, rinse or soak it with fresh water after each use, and make sure to wait until the USB port is dry before charging.